Hi everyone, my name is Arshadhussain from Condos.ca. I specialize in pre-construction real estate. I must tell you, new condos are always being built in a busy city. However, only a few make a difference to the image of a city. M3 Condos is going to be the new landmark condominiums in the city of Mississauga, and indeed in the future is going to be the tallest tower. Let's find out why M3 is a great investment opportunity for first-time buyers, for first-time investors, and as well for those who are planning for downsizing. M-City, anticipated to be 81-story tower, will be the tallest in Mississauga by Urban Capital and Rogers Development. This condo community, located at the southwest corner of Burnamthorpe and Confederation Parkway, is reflective of the city's potential and rapid growth as an urban city. Immediately next to the ever-expanding Square One shopping center, steps away from Mississauga Celebration Square, Civic Center, Central Library, and the Art Gallery of Mississauga. M3 Condos just a few steps away from Mississauga's top shops, dining, schools, parks, many supermarkets, restaurants, banks and entertainment. More than 4 schools within 20 minutes walk-in. As well, short walk to Hazel McAllen campus of Sheridan College next to Square One. For further details about how to secure your unit in M-City condominiums, please contact Arshad 647-519-5751 or visit www.trustcondos.ca.